We'll make a side dish of mushrooms. Need a pound of mushrooms. Need heavy cream. A cup of these and cut in half of tomatoes. Some tomato paste. Tablespoon. Butter. A couple cloves of garlic. Parmesan. 6-ounce package of baby spinach. And some red pepper flakes. Salt, pepper. And let's get started. I'm melting a half a stick of butter over medium heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste and 2 cloves of garlic that I minced. And cook this for 1 minute. I'm going to add the mushrooms. I washed the mushrooms. You don't want to wash mushrooms until you're about to use them. You never wash them and put them back in the fridge. And a cup of the tomatoes, 1 cup. And we're going to cook this up. This has been going about 8 minutes. I cooked them like on this side for 4 minutes, and then I turned them over and cooked them 4 minutes. And I'm going to add some salt. I did turn the heat down. And some pepper, a pinch of red pepper flakes, my heavy cream, it's 3/4 cup of cream, and it cools the pan off, and I'm going to scrape up these, the fond on the bottom of the pan, and let these cook a little bit more. It's cooked about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the 6 ounces of baby spinach and cook this down. It's cooked for about 6 minutes. I should have really run a knife through that spinach. It would look a little nicer. Add a 1/3 cup of Parmesan. Turn off the heat. We're ready to plate and serve. I have it dished up. I put a little extra Parmesan on top and some fresh parsley. Let's just have a quick taste here. Very, very nice. I hope you try this sometime. Thank you so much for watching.